Learn one Chinese character, unlock 10 useful words, and grow your Chinese world. Today, let's continue our Time and Seasons series. We're learning the character dōng. What does this character mean at its core? At its core, the character dōng represents winter, the coldest season of the year when nature rests, days are short, and snow often covers the ground. How did this character evolve over time? The character dōng has a fascinating origin. In its earliest oracle bone forms, it is often understood as symbolizing the end of the year, the final season in the annual cycle. In later forms, 2 dots were added at the bottom, often interpreted as suggesting ice and cold, which strengthened its association with winter. Over time, the character gradually evolved into its modern form. It conveys the sense of the year coming to a close, as everything grows quiet and still in winter. How is this character structured? The character dōng has a top-bottom structure. It consists of 2 main components: the top part, which is often associated with slowing down, the bottom part, which is often interpreted as suggesting ice or cold. Together, these elements create the idea of a season when everything slows down because of the cold, a poetic image of winter's stillness and icy silence. How do we write the character dōng? Follow the top to bottom stroke order. Start with the top part. First, write a left falling stroke near the top center. Next, write 1 horizontal left falling stroke beginning slightly to the right. Then, write a right falling stroke from the center extending downward across the second stroke. Finally, add the 2 dots at the bottom. Did you get it right? Let's practice reading it. It is pronounced in the first tone. Repeat after me. dōng, dōng, dōng. Let's unlock 10 useful words from this character. 冬天 means winter, commonly used in daily conversation. 冬季 means the winter season, often used in formal or meteorological contexts. 冬日 means a winter day, often used in written or poetic language. 立冬 means the beginning of winter, one of the 24 solar terms marking the start of winter. 冬至 means the winter solstice, an important solar term and traditional festival. 冬眠 means hibernation, used to describe animals sleeping through the winter. 冬泳 means winter swimming, a sport practiced in cold water. 寒冬 means a harsh winter, describes extremely cold weather. 冬衣 means winter clothing, refers to warm clothes worn in winter. 冬雪 means winter snow, often used in descriptive or poetic language. All of these words are related to winter and things associated with it. Let's look at a fun story behind this character. Now that we've learned the 4 seasons, spring, summer, autumn, and winter, let me tell you something amazing. In ancient China, about 2,000 years ago, the Chinese people divided the year into 24 solar terms. Each season was divided into 6 solar terms. Why did they do this? These solar terms guided farmers, telling them when to sow seeds, when to harvest crops, and how to plan their work. For over 2,000 years, this system has been used without interruption. And the most incredible part? It is astonishingly accurate. For example, 夏至, summer solstice, is the day with the longest daylight and the shortest night in the northern hemisphere. 冬至, winter solstice, is the day with the shortest daylight and the longest night. In China, people use the 24 solar terms to mark the beginning of each season, such as Li Twin, beginning of spring. 立夏, beginning of summer. 立秋, beginning of autumn. 立冬, beginning of winter. Each solar term has its own special meaning and interesting customs. We'll explore them one by one in a future series. Did you learn this character today? More interesting character lessons are on the way. Follow us and learn one Chinese character a day to build your Chinese world.